gauche.
Ah, ok. Là, je suis pas loin du point, donc là, je devrais pas pouvoir la descendre.
Everyone's here to do the beam. All right, it's going up.
Ça va encore.
It's going
Ça
up.
va encore.
Ah, c'est moi qui est lourd. Hein.
Ah, peut-être. Parce que moi, c'est pas si lourd. Mais attends. Vas-y, ah, c'est pas si lourd. Je la prends sur l'épaule. Mais là, sur mon épaule.
C'est pas là-bas, même.
Sur l'épaule.
Bah oui, mais après, il faudra prendre la fourchette.
Attention, Greg. Ah, sinon, pas la tête. Par contre.
Je vais monter. Ah oui, tiens.
C'est vrai que
Je fais rien. Attends.
c'est la meilleure cette échelle de merde.
Ah ouais, bah moi, c'est pas comme ça, mais je vais essayer de tomber. Attends. Ah ouais, là, tiens, ici. Combien, là? Toi, tu récupères, je te la passe.
Attends, je descends. Attends. Thomas, ouais. Tiens l'escabeau. C'est les deux.
C'est bon? Décale-toi, je te donner si tu veux, avec les escabeaux. Décale-toi, je la tiens, Tu l'as? Ok. C'est ok. Maintenant. Voilà. Là, il glissera plus. Attends.
Attends, Greg.
Ouais.
Vas-y. Doucement, hein.
Ouais.
Vas-y.
Voilà.
Allez, doucement. T'es comment là, Romain?
Attends, faut la tourner là.
Faut la
Faut
tourner
la
vers toi.
tourner
Greg.
pour avoir le plan en haut.
Faut la tourner vers toi.
Attends, maintenant faut la tourner.
Faut la tourner vers le haut là.
Attends.
T'es posé là?
Ouais, je suis posé. On peut la tourner, je pense. Attends, ouais, parce que là.
Okay, so Manu is here. He's saying it's not, the placement's not good. So we'll see.
Not good.
Not good.
Yeah, too short. 20 centimeters.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Well, the wood beam is too short,
Oh my God.
a little too short.
It's 20 centimeters too short, which is about this much too short.
And it's a beauty. So disappointing. But
Victor
they-
says he has another one that's a little bit bigger.
organization time. I'm waiting for Noah to get here. Roland, the electrician, is on his way. It's almost 8:30 in the morning. And I have to get all of these books down in preparation for Manu, the mason, because he's going to cut the holes there for the AC. Okay, let's get this done. What? That's okay. Those glasses were only €5.
Après, c'est électrique en gaz. Ah non, c'est...
Half and half.
I can do, je peux choisir, parce qu'il y a deux fours, two ovens, so peut-être deux électriques. Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? What do you think? Does it matter?
Déjà,
Right.
Gas or electric doesn't matter for oven.
Exactly.
But for the gas, I prefer.
No, it's always
I
it's
prefer
gas.
stick.
Yeah, it's gas. It's going to be gas.
With climatization, you pay less electricity because you have a coefficient. When you eat 10,000 watts of electricity, you produce 3,000 or 4,000 watts of heating.
But we need you. We need you.
Yeah, he's one person. He has to see if he can do it.
But we can take our time because I'd rather have the best. I'd rather have you and take our time.
Yeah,
And-
but I say always, I do what I say what I do. But when I take a deal, I try to finish the deal.
Yeah.
And when it's too big, sometimes I prefer say no than to have a problem.
Wait.
The rain has stopped.
Wow, it was pouring this
I
morning.
know. But we had the electrician come, but we're waiting for the new beam because our other one doesn't fit. But that's okay because we might repurpose that, right?
Oh yeah, we got to talk to Manu when he
I would
comes.
love to use that because it's beautiful. We could use it in the bedroom maybe.
Yeah.
The roof is going along nicely, no leaks. We had rain for 2 days.
We had the
so-
electrician just come and he seemed
As
a
you
little.
can tell by Noah's voice, he's a little down.
Yeah, he basically like this is a huge project. Yeah, so the electrician basically was telling me that when he takes a job, he likes to make he takes full responsibility for the whole project in the electric department. So he was saying this is a huge project because the map of the electric is all wrong. Took me in the attic and showed me just open wires, just
I know.
hanging out. And he was like, you know, this is a lot of work and I'm just one man. We'll figure something out. He goes, but I'm gonna have to really contemplate if he wants to get involved in this project.
It's happening.
My new tools just arrived. I'm very excited. Little Dong Chang. Not the best quality, but we didn't want to spend a fortune on this because I would just really need it for just around the house stuff. But this allows me to start taking apart the
kitchen,
taking about
finally.
the kitchen. Yeah. So now I can come in.
Does that work in there?
Let's see. Oh, it works beautifully. I don't know why this one's not. Oh, it's just spinning.
So it doesn't work?
No, that works. I just need to get that one piece wasn't coming out.
Et voila!
When I was originally looking at this, it looked like they drilled a vent and there was nowhere to vent it. But then I just took this unit off and there's actually a vent here that goes somewhere. I don't know where because there's no ventilation on the roof. So I'm gonna go investigate and see where the heck this ventilation ends up. See if I can kind of feel where this goes. If I can get it to follow this. Man, it's not really going anywhere. It kind of goes right into the wall. Okay. Don't know. Je ne sais pas. What is this wall? That's what I gotta figure out. I saw the open wires here, so I just turned off the electric. I'm trying to find the electric. I don't want to get shot.
You have a hat on.
I have a hat on.
Our new beam is coming, and this beam is going in the bedroom.
Here now, so
We're putting the beam that we couldn't use in the dinette into my bedroom
be nice.
because I cannot pass up history. Let's take a look at this stove here. So what's going on here?
Well, we're trying to figure out how to get the extractor tube that's going to go up here and out, but it has to go at an angle because the old house is built here, and the chimney is here. So it has to go at an angle to get to the center, because the house actually ends up over here. It has to go at an angle to get the extractor
Okay.
correct.
All right, let's go check out our new beam. The nouvelle poutre en bois.
Elle est belle, très belle.
You like it?
Oui,
Yeah, I love it.
super.
Elle est belle.
17th century. Oh, I'm so happy. All this history. It's a beauty. She's a beauty.
My little Jenny right there.
No straps, no nothing. There's all the strong men.
Prends-la autrement, gros. Voilà.
On avance.
Voilà.
Ouais, c'est pas lourd, hein.
Bon travail.
Good job.
So this time we are going to measure. Just to make sure.
Là, il y a Noah qui a la tête dans ton cul. Hein.
Ouais, bah c'est pas grave.
C'est qui, Noah?
Attends, c'est bon.
Arrête de faire rigoler, quoi.
Je t'ai laissé la prendre de l'eau.
Là, il faut se décaler par là, un peu, pour qu'il passe.
Attention, ça tombe, Brandon. Ah non, c'est pas bon.
We're wrapping up the day.
Yep. It was a long day.
Noah's exhausted.
Yeah,
As he should be, because carrying that wood beam.
We started super early this morning, but we're making big progress. We're finding tons of things. We're getting all the right people to help us.
Yes.
It was so nice to have them come and take the other beam out, which you see there on the ground.
We're going to put in one of the bedrooms.
Yeah.
So we have two 17th century wood beams.
Yeah.
That one is beautiful.
Jenny wasn't loving it at first, but I think it's really nice.
Well, this is my favorite. That one is pure history as well, so I'm really happy about it.
It's gonna really take a life of its own. Each one is like a piece of artwork, so that's the way I
That's
look
true.
at it. Each one is unique. Each one is his own Mona Lisa, just like you, my little Mona Lisa.
A bientôt.
A bientôt.